Hi guys, this is Katie Bennett. I am your independent Norwex sales consultant, and I'm here to answer two questions for you today. What is Norwex, and what on earth is mechanical cleaning? And okay, I'll answer a third question too. Why should I want to do it? First of all, Norwex is a company that's been in business for only over 27 years, and it started in, guess where? Norway. If you think about Norway, you usually think of beautiful fjords and fresh air and really healthy people, right? They are known for their love of nature and health, and that really carries over into what Norwex is. Norwex's main goal is to radically reduce the use of toxic chemicals in our homes. Toxic chemicals in your homes? What chemicals? Well, unfortunately, most of us use toxic cleaning products, personal care products, all sorts of things in our home every single day. The problem is we didn't realize they were toxic. So if you're like me, you probably grew up cleaning with something that looked like this, maybe a different color canister or some different sprays. And did you ever read the instructions on them? I don't know about you. I'm not much of an instruction reader in general, but cleaning sprays, cleaning wipes, they don't need much instructing, right? You just simply spray and wipe it away or use the cloth and wipe it. But when you read these canisters, you start to realize that these cleaning products, these chemical cleaners, are actually a lot more dangerous than you might think. For example, this particular canister says that after use, your surface should be wiped down with water and your hands should be washed before you touch your face or your mouth or you eat any food. Don't know the last time I did that. Furthermore, to be effective, my surface would need to remain wet for 4 whole minutes. That's actually on the easy side of things. Many of these companies, you need to keep your surface wet for 10 minutes in order for the job of killing your bad guys, your bacteria, your viruses to actually happen. I don't know about you, but I don't usually leave that much time in my cleaning to make sure that goes down. I'm supposed to keep it away from pets and small humans, both of which I have plenty of in my home. But honestly, what are you going to do? We want to keep our homes clean, right? Well, that is where mechanical cleaning comes in. The wipes, the sprays, they're all chemicals. Their point is to kill. Unfortunately, they can be deadly to things like bacteria, but they can still be very harmful to humans and animals. That's where we want some mechanical cleaning. Mechanical cleaning is all about actually removing the problem, not killing it. So I want you to think of a garden. It's winter right now, so I love thinking about my garden. I have weeds in my garden though. What do I do? Well, obviously I could get out the pesticides, the herbicides, and I could start spraying and hoping to kill those weeds, kill the bugs on the plants. The problem is, then I have dead weeds, dead bugs, and a lot of chemical residue left behind on the very thing I want to eat. Or I can get my hands dirty and I can pull the weeds. I can use traps to trap the insects. I can physically remove my problem without killing anything, right? Without using any chemicals. But wait a second. Is there a way to physically remove the problems of dirt and bacteria in our home? Yes, microfiber is the way to do that. So if you have super high quality microfiber and just water, just using a damp cloth, you can actually wipe a surface and pick up the bacteria. Norwex microfiber has been lab tested by a separate lab, not by Norwex's lab, to pick up 99% of bacteria when used correctly. Crazy. So what do you do with a cloth full of bacteria you just picked up from your countertop or your toilet seat? You rinse it out in warm water. Most of the bacteria and the gunk, the ick, is going to go down the drain with the water. The rest is going to stay trapped in the cloth until you fully launder it later that week. Later that week, caught your attention with that, didn't I? Well, I've covered my topics for now. What Norwex is, what mechanical cleaning is. Norwex, a company devoted to helping you get rid of the toxic chemicals. Mechanical cleaning, the easiest, safest way to keep your home clean. No chemicals needed. How does it all work? I'll share more about that later.